Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Motivation Monday. Today I'm going to be cleaning my two bathrooms. I hope all of you had a wonderful weekend and now you're ready to start the week. I will try not to talk too much. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I really hope you will enjoy watching this video. Like it, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Over here, I wanted to show you my two tools that I always have with me in the shower. One of them is this squeegee and the other one is this cleaning sponge that I got at Dollar Tree, and I filled it up with vinegar, cleaning vinegar, and dish soap. And I always use it when I shower. Since this shower is pretty new, around 2 months old, and also I'm always using my two tools that I showed you while showering. There's no buildup on the glass, and anytime I want to just clean the glass, I use a regular Mrs. Meyer spray, and I just spray it on, and after that I clean it with the water.
From a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning.
I love this Lysol press-on gel for toilets. It always keeps freshness and nice smell in my toilet for a long time.
Of a different breed, 'cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we please. Oh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames. lost you right away. You're pretty sure I will ignore every move you make. Come over, come over, come over to me. I'm over here, you see.
On to my next bathroom. This is kids' bathroom and a guest bathroom as well. By this time my daughter woke up, so you will see her in the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you motivation to clean some space in your home. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on. And like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!